contentstack is a modern content management system that allows businesses to create, manage, and publish digital content across multiple channels and platforms.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am come back again with a new appsumo review. Today I will discuss very useful and attractive tools for content marketing tools. Okay, within these tools you can easily generate high quality content in just few seconds and integrate with Windows, Linux and Mac for easy use. This tools is contentstack tools. Basically these tools generate unlimited content with your own OpenAI API key. Just pay for the engine and use your key. Okay, if you are a author, blogger and content creator, this tools best for you and best alternative to Copy AI. Okay, what is Copy AI? We all know that Copy AI is one of the best AI content writing tools. Since contentstack come in the market as alternative to Copy AI, I think these tools must be good for you. Firstly, I want to say what is contentstack tools. Contentstack is the revolutionary AI writing assistant that will change the way you create content. Within these tools, you can produce content that stand out and captivate your audience and drive your business forward. Now I will show you how to use contentstack tools and how to generate SEO friendly content. I hope you will get idea about this tool, so let's go and see.
contentstack is a modern content management system that allows businesses to create, manage, and publish digital content across multiple channels and platforms. I am going to open the first one for you to show how you can navigate through them. This is the template of the article writer, with some requirements to fill in to get immediate results based on your provided data. For instance, the first requirement is to add article topic in there. The second option is use cases, which refer to situations in which a particular technology or solution can be applied to the generated results. When you will click on it, you will see different choices to click. I have added article ideas, which means I am going to automatically generate ideas regarding my provided topic. How simple is it to use, right? Moving downwards to generate results of it. There are some other details regarding text, like voice tone, keywords, the language chosen for the content, and variants. And when you scrolling till the end of the page, you will see the option of Write for Me. Click on it and it'll be writing for you right on there. Your content is written on the page. You can notice how nicely it is set. Points are an effective way to organize and communicate information in a clear and concise manner. A list of points makes it easier for readers to quickly scan and understand the written content. Let's move to the next template, which is Long Content Writer. And with this, there is an addition of auto in brackets. Because in contentstack, for long content writings, you are given two options. One is auto for automatically generated data and the other one is manual, which is done by you, but it'll provide you with the proper template to follow on. On moving downwards to this template, you will have the option of writing your topic and then keywords you want to add for the results to focus on. In the end, you will see the option of generating content. On returning to the top, you will see the automatically created layout setup for the content. You have various options in here. Add images, videos, and other media to enhance your content and make it more engaging for readers. Use the editor to format your content, adding headings, subheadings, and other formatting elements to make it easier to read and navigate. Let's move to the next available template, which Long Content Writer Manual. As the name suggests, the layout is set for you to create your content in there. Write your blog topic and add keywords. Choose your voice tone and language. On the page, you have different options and styles to select for your writing. For instance, I have added content and edited it with the available template designs. This is great. Super helpful to write with easily accessible styles and tools. Moving towards the next. contentstack offers a feature set for creating and managing FAQ pages. Categorize your FAQs by topic or theme to make them easy to browse and search. A frequently asked questions list is often used in articles, websites, email lists, and online forums where common questions tend to recur. So, what are you waiting for? Create a new content type for your FAQs, with fields for the question and answer. With contentstack, creating a robust and user-friendly FAQ page is easy and intuitive. Next is the feedback review generator. You need to write the topic on which you want to generate a review. Then comes use cases, keywords, voice tone, and variants. Finally, click on Write for Me to get the results. Look how accurately a feedback review is generated for you without putting any effort to think upon the topic. Next to this is the template of Rewriter. One of the most significant benefits of using this Rewriter template is that it can save a lot of time in creating new content. Instead of manually rewriting content, it can quickly generate unique variations that are grammatically correct and plagiarism-free. Wait for a second. And you got it. A nice and accurate rewritten content. This is wonderful. There are so many benefits of this Rewriter template, like content creation becoming more efficient. A person can produce more content in less time as time is money. You can also save it as a text, which could be helpful for you while checking your work. The last template which we have on this is the cold email generator. It can be used as a starting point to create your own customized cold email for your specific use case in contentstack. Overall, the templates on the contentstack site provide a comprehensive and interactive overview of the platform's capabilities and benefits. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or developer,
here you can see contentstack tool price and sales overview. It is a 5-star rating and so far 6 people review. Usually you can check whether a tool is good or bad, some issue like how many tools have been sold, how the rating is, and the latest customer feedback. Okay guys, I am recording this video. Contentstack deal have been launched on appsumo only 3 days ago. Within 3 days, these tools have gotten 6 people review and everyone is giving 5-star review. So I think these tools must be good for you and you can try this. Okay, this price is very cheap, only $39. You have to pay at once. After that you can use these tools for the rest of your life. Okay, buying these tools, what benefit will you get? It's given here. There are one plan available. When you purchase contentstack tools from appsumo, then you will get access 10 plus use case and writing in 9 plus language, access to 7 plus tone, built-in integrate and simple blog writer, long form content writer, FAQ generator, feedback review generator, CS writer. This price is only $39. If you like and buy this product, just click here. If you want, you can buy these tools. After buying these tools, if you don't like it, don't worry about your money. appsumo will give you 60-day money back guarantee, so you can return it anytime. This tools is amazing tools to have so many topic in one tools with 40 plus use case and template to choose from. You can cover all your writing need. Choose from over 10 languages in writing in, and our AI writing assistant can produce content in 9 plus tone of voice to ensure the right emotion or to in your copy. Plan and future. The most important things when you purchase contentstack tools from appsumo, then you will get in this benefit. Otherwise, you will not get in this benefit. So I strongly recommended you must buy contentstack tools from appsumo. Okay, first condition is lifetime access to contentstack. When you purchase contentstack tools from appsumo, then you will get access to these tools. All future plan update. That means these tools are update every few days. When these tools are update, as soon as you will get access to these tools. Okay, 60-day money back guarantee. After buying these tools within 60-day use, if you feel that these tools are not suitable for your use or you are not getting benefit mentioned here, so you can return it anytime. Lastly, I want to say goodbye to the hassle of writing and hello to the efficiency and effectiveness of contentstack. You want to know more about these tools, you can see the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching my video, and next time I will come again with another deal.